Lead the way. Understanding and using the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase, lead the way. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of lead the way. Lead the way is an idiomatic expression in English. At its core, it means to guide someone, showing them the direction they should go in. This phrase can be used literally, like when someone guides you to a specific location. However, it's also used metaphorically to indicate that someone is setting an example or pioneering in a particular field or activity. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Literal usage: I'm not sure where the restaurant is. Could you lead the way? 2. Metaphorical usage: in terms of technological innovation, many believe that this company continues to lead the way. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different contexts, emphasizing its versatility in language. A common misunderstanding is confusing lead the way with simply leading or being in charge. Remember, lead the way implies guiding and showing the path, not just being a leader. It involves an element of instruction or direction. Using lead the way in daily conversation is quite simple. You can use it when you want someone to show you where to go. You are acknowledging someone's leadership or pioneering efforts in a specific area. In different cultures, lead the way might be used in varying contexts. For example, in business English, it often refers to innovation and pioneering strategies. In everyday conversation, it's more about guiding someone to a place or through a process. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, lead the way, and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, phrases like these can add color and depth to your English conversations, making them more engaging and effective. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.